Traditional ways of constructing buildings and sites creates pollution and waste. Trucks moving materials back and forth from a site use fossil fuels that create carbon dioxide emissions. Conventional manufacturing materials like concrete, steel, and wood require toxic chemicals and create additional pollution. And typically, materials from torn down buildings and sites are carted off to the landfill. Many architects, landscape architects, and construction firms are moving towards a more sustainable construction process to reduce waste and greenhouse gas emissions. Now, construction materials are continually reused and nothing is thrown away. This building and site will be torn down and replaced by a park. Many of the materials will be reused in the new park construction, like the concrete from inside the building and the sidewalks, wood from site furnishings and the building interior, the glass from the windows, the steel building girders and metal rebar, as well as the soil underneath the whole site. Once the materials have been separated, some are kept at the construction site and reprocessed, reducing the emissions from hauling materials. The reuse process starts with the park base, which is built from reclaimed soils. New locations for sidewalks, walls, and sloped areas are graded using the dug-up earth. The reused soils are used to create gentle slopes that channel water to planting beds. Concrete, rubble, and window glass are broken down and reconstituted as porous concrete pavers. Recycling these materials reduces the need for new cement and other materials to be mined and processed. The recycled concrete and glass aggregate can also be used for site walls, steps, and soft gravel paving. Reclaimed wood and steel can be reused to create site amenities like these benches. This helps reduce the importation of rainforest hardwoods and mining for metals. The recycled steel is also used in these new park lights and bike racks. Recyclable items like soda cans, aluminum foil, and other common household items are part of the steel. The steel is used to create structures like this canopy and reused as rebar in the site's concrete. The remaining wood can also be converted into wood chips, used as mulch in planting beds. The glass from windows can be recycled and turned into an aesthetic ground cover and reconstituted as non-edged glass pebbles that help with water infiltration. As a result, this new park is created from materials reused from the previous building and plaza. Old concrete, wood, glass, steel, and soils are all part of the new design, amenities, and construction. With climate change, any new construction methods that reduce greenhouse gas emissions are a major benefit to the project and society as a whole. Construction accounts for a major share of all emissions from the built environment. While the reuse of construction materials in a new park is a bit more complex than demonstrated, the core concepts hold true. With sustainable reconstruction, everything old can be made new again.